So today in this video I'm going to show you how to change your toner. This is the black toner. I'm going to show you how to get it set up into your Uninet iColor 560 so that you're able to print black. All we got to do, we're going to open up this part right here, this compartment, and now once you open that up, you're exposed to your printer right here, right? You see it? This is the white, the yellow, the magenta, and the cyan, right? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna replace the white with black. We're gonna replace the white with black. And you can look at this a little image over here that tells you standard printing. We're gonna remove this one here, and we're gonna swipe it out with the other one. So I'm gonna put this to the side. I'm gonna take this black now. Now remember, you're gonna do this. When you're doing this tab right here, you're just gonna take this off, okay? Because this is the first time we're doing this. So what you wanna do now, same thing on the other side. Tab, move it, all right? So now you got your toner. We're gonna just drop it into the slot. There's a slot right here. You're gonna drop it right there so that this part is feeding directly into the slots that's on the side. And then push it all the way down, make sure it's pushed down, and that's basically it. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna close this up and let it click. And now once you do that, the printer is gonna say color registration, and that's basically it. That's all you have to do to rotate that. So once it does the color registration, it's going to actually know that there's black in there. So now I'm gonna take this one here, I'm gonna save it because we're gonna be putting it back into there real soon. Just gonna stick it back in the bag for now, and that's it. So now our printer says ready, we're good to go. You can now go over into your ProRip software and send an image to this.